What's on, mate? Today we'll be talking about the seatbelt dingers and steady chimes. This one here is a steady tone, and this here is a dinger. They both got the same identical plugs, and this here came out of this truck here, an '87 Chevy. And this came out of a '88 Chevy Astro van, and they are both the same thing. So I decided to go for a little change on the dingers. And you want to know where your dinger's at and your tone, you got to take this quarter panel off right here, and it's located right back here. There's a tab there you got to pull down on it to wiggle that out. I'm going to put the original one in so you can get to hear what it sounds like. It's a little tricky trying to get it back in place, so. Alright, I got the thing in there now. You turn the key in, and your seatbelt light comes on, so you know you're. Now, I'm going to pull this one out and put this one in. Make sure it's secured in. Now, your light stays on until the seatbelt is fastened. And you can turn this on because your headlights are on. Well, that's what we got right now. And once you replace that, you can actually have a tone rather than a steady one. I'll put this one away. So that's what we got now.